How to get Midjourney promo code. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get Midjourney promo code. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up a web browser. After you open up a web browser, simply search for Midjourney promo code. After you search for Midjourney promo code, hit enter, and there you should see a lot of different websites. So the one that we'll use is the one on the top. It's called Grab On. Tap on Grab On and just get to its website, and there you should see all of the different subscription promo codes available. So there you will see flat 20% off, you will see exclusive offers, annual subscriptions, and stuff like that. So here you can choose any one. You can see latest Midjourney coupons as well. You'll get around 20% off, $30 per month, and stuff like that. So you can then choose any of the promo codes available here and then head over to your Midjourney and use it as well. So as you can see, this is how you choose your promo code. Now from here you can get your promo code and you're good to go. That is basically how you get Midjourney promo code. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.